Hi viewer. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making a new XMEN blades with ice cream sticks. Come, let's do this process.
I took one piece of ice cream stick. It is little bigger than average size. I cut into pieces as I specified the sizes in this video. Like this. The shape of the wood piece should be like this. Take total of 6 pieces like this. Then I took 2 small pieces 0.3 mm by 11 centimeters. Pasted them bottom of wood pieces as shown in this video. Like this. After that, I took 2 more pieces and glued them into one piece like this. Then I marked it like a knife shape with a pencil and cut it out. Like this. Take another small piece of wood 0.4 mm by 11 cm and stick it in the middle of the previously made pieces of wood. Like this. So that knife shaped wood piece can move easily. Like this. I took another 2 small pieces 0.4 mm by 11 centimeters and pasted them middle of wood pieces as shown in this video. Like this. And keep those 2 pieces like this so that it can move easily. Like this. I took one ice cream stick and I cut it into as I specified the size in this video. Place the previously prepared wood pieces on top and paste it like this. The pieces of wood should move freely like this. Paste a small piece of wood here to act as a stopper. Like this. Paste it a small piece of wood so that it comes out left side slightly. It works like a stopper. Like this. Take a small piece of wood and shape it like this. Paste it on the above knife shaped wood. Take a small piece of wood and paste it here like this. Now we have to keep knife shaped wood like this. A small piece of wood should be pasted on top to prevent it from come out. Mark with a pencil to make holes. Like this. Take a pin and make it in the shape of P. Like this. Paste them opposite each other. Like this. Open all pieces like this and take a thread and tie it here. Like this. Take the thread from one hole to another in this way. Like this. Tie it tightly in the end. Like this. Now it should move like this. Now I am making a cover of blade. You can do this if you want. It is optional. Do this to make it look beautiful. Like this. Now I am making holder of cover. Now we have 3 blades ready. Now we need to paste these 3 blades to ice cream sticks in a V shape. Like this. Now to attach it to the back of our palm. 2 more wood pieces has to be pasted it. Like this. Now I am using syringes to work like hydraulics. This should also be pasted in V shape. Like this. Now take 3 more small syringes and cut like this. Then we have to paste it like this with a hot glue gun. Like this. Take this part of the syringe needle and attach it to the tube. Paste a stick to push all 3 syringes at once. Like this. Here I am fitting the rubber bands to the syringes to pull back automatically. Now take some water and add any color in it. Take some colored water and fill it in the syringe. It should be filled without gap in the syringe. Like this. Now I am ready to test it. I tried to push with one hand with a little pressure, but it didn't happen. This happened when I tried to push with more pressure with both hands. I have used the male and female sticker to attach these two parts together. Like this. I tried to push with less pressure, but it didn't happen. Then I tried to push with more pressure, it happened like this. You can do it too, but I am not satisfied with it. After some attempts, it broke. After that, I had an idea. Why don't we use a single syringe for 3 hydraulic chambers? Then I did like this. I connected the 3 syringes tubes to one syringe like this. Now it is moving very lightly without any pressure. Now it's working. Many people have done this before, but I have tried to tell you in detail and easily in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe if I want to make more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.